Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're replacing a license plate bulb on a 2008 to 2017 Jeep Patriot. This is a 2015, simple to do, and you don't want to get caught with no lights on your license plate. You can get a ticket. All right, so simple thing on this Jeep. It's got right over here, it's got a little tab right here. And you just push that in with a screwdriver and it's going to pop out. I'll do that right over here. See this little tab? You just push it and just slide this out like this. All right, don't break those tabs. And it's got a little bulb in there. They're usually 194. I mean, they have all different color ratings, so you can look up which one yours is, but basically, this is a little 194 bulb. You just take it out, and we're going to replace it. All right, and this is what it looks like. See? Now, you'll look, like I said, a 194, could be a 156, and all the difference is the color rating. So, if you got anything laying in the garage that looks like this, you can use it. If not, look in your owner's manual, you get the proper one, but it doesn't really matter. Just put it back in, and you reverse the procedure. And like I said, you just push it back in, make sure it's seated. You get this thing back like this, and that's it. And you have one for the other side too. Now you won't get a ticket. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, try to get everybody back on the road as fast as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.